450 advance, 3 laps. We're down to only 4 on the... Looks like Kevin Kern, or is that... That's Dylan Messenger on there. This one to 3 laps, and we didn't do it. That was the overall opinion of the riders. So they're only doing 3 laps here, and it's a nice tight race so far. We'll see how it ends up. But right now we got Messenger and then Gifford, Benlin, and it looks like Cordero. I can't really tell, but we'll confirm that as it comes out. Messenger had a 5th place last time, so he's trying to back that up with a better position. So it's Messenger, Gifford, Finland. Getting a little lead out on them now, trying to stretch it out. They're hitting that table pretty hard in the back. All 3 of them just did. So all the races that are complete are already scored and up at the registration. You can go by there and take a look, pick up your trophies if you're getting a class, in a trophy class. Get your picture taken, and you obviously can stay here all day and watch the rest of the race, or you can get loaded up and go on home. We really do appreciate everyone coming out, sticking it out with us during this hurricane. Sticking it out. Last lap coming around for Dylan Messenger. He was on the team of RCR.